I like creating things that help me take a moment for myself. A simple ritual like making a sugar scrub can bring you a moment of pause and joy. My name is Kristy Dubé here. I write a column in a national magazine about simple living. I've learned that it's small, consistent choices that make the most difference when it comes to self-care. I love to make sugar scrubs with simple ingredients, whether it's a lip scrub to make my lipstick look better, or one of my favorite scrubs to make is a coffee scrub because all you need is just 3 simple ingredients: natural sugar, coconut, and ground coffee. Mix it together and it makes the most satisfying treat for yourself. Just pouring that coffee, sifting it with the sugar is just soothing and it smells so good. The scrub only takes me minutes to make, and when I'm done, I take it directly into the bathroom. Start pouring a hot bath, light a candle. A scrub is best applied to damp skin, so I like to cleanse my legs first and then scoop up some scrub and start applying it in circular motions like a soft massage. Coffee actually has really great benefits for our skin. It can tone and tighten and firm your skin. Oil can come in there and just moisturize and leave you with this beautiful glow. I start the day feeling so energized. It's like I went out and bought some fancy coffee, but I didn't. It was just right here at home. I feel ready to start my day and check off that task list.